Isaack Ndegwa spends his days at the Justice Defenders offices in Kenya's capital, Nairobi, researching cases as he seeks to help prisoners with their appeals. Just a few months ago, he too was behind bars, serving a 14-year sentence he had been handed for his part in a robbery and involvement in a violent crime. During his time in prison, he participated in one of Justice Defenders' legal training programs, graduating with a degree in law and knowledge that saw his sentence reduced.
We were able to challenge that law through the knowledge that we gained, and my sentence was subjected to the same, to the remission. So I didn't serve the whole 14 years. I served now 9 years and 8 months.
Isaack is one of 15,000 inmates who have had their sentences reduced or who have been released from prison through the efforts of Justice Defenders, a charity organization that seeks to make justice accessible to vulnerable members of the society. Miriam Wachira, the country's director for Kenya, says the organization trains not just inmates but also prison wardens.
Seeing people in prison behind bars being able to study a law degree and finishing it, that has been one of our biggest success stories.
The organization seeks to bridge a gap by empowering those who are unable to access justice through a fair legal process. John Lewis Onkendi, an advocate of the High Court in Kenya, says many people can't begin a legal process because of lack of funding.
A lot of Kenyans have a problem in accessing justice because justice in Kenya can be expensive. By that I mean affording an advocate for an average Kenyan is not an easy task. And so sometimes you find that a lot of them do not get quality and credible legal representation.
Through its legal education training and practice within prisons in Kenya, Uganda, and now the Gambia, Justice Defenders has served more than 33,000 people since its beginning in 2007. 39 inmates have graduated from the organization's University of London Law Program. 6 of them are currently practicing law. Brenda Ambani, one of the lecturers teaching law, says the demand for the organization's services is high.
One of our greatest impact is having people who have studied this degree and they use that knowledge to argue out their cases in court.
The organization, run solely through donations, seeks to have those who have gone through its programs give back by helping those still locked up and fairly get access to justice. Brenda for VOA News, Nairobi.